Your 2023-2025 Hyundai Palisades engine air filter serves as a critical barrier, preventing dust, debris, pollen, and other contaminants from entering the engine's intake system. This ensures optimal combustion, fuel efficiency, and engine longevity. A clogged filter can reduce engine output by 5 to 10% and increase fuel consumption by up to 10%, leading to poorer performance and higher costs. This video will guide you through a simple DIY replacement process. The air filter box in the 2023-2025 Hyundai Palisade 3.8-liter is typically found on the driver's side of the engine bay, near the battery and fender. It's a black plastic box secured with clips or screws. Identifying its location is the first step in the replacement process. For this DIY replacement, you'll need minimal tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, and your new air filter. The correct part number for most 2023-2025 Palisade models is 28113C1000. A new filter will cost around $10 to $20. First, ensure the engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Never attempt this while the engine is hot. Next, locate the air filter box on the driver's side. Release the two clamps or unscrew the screws to open the housing. Carefully remove the old air filter. Note the orientation, especially the airflow arrow, for proper reinstallation. Inspect the removed filter for excessive dirt, tears, or damage. This helps assess engine health and filter effectiveness. Insert the new air filter into the housing, ensuring it matches the orientation of the old one. The filter's design includes arrows indicating airflow direction. Pay attention to the airflow arrows on the filter's edge. Proper orientation ensures optimal performance and prevents damage. Place the filter into the housing and ensure it sits flush and level. This creates a tight seal that prevents air leaks. Verify the housing seal is properly aligned and undamaged. A good seal maintains the filter's effectiveness. Improper installation can lead to reduced engine power, higher fuel consumption, and increased emissions. Always double-check your work. Carefully lower the lid of the air filter box onto the base, ensuring it sits flush with the housing. Use the provided clips or screws to securely fasten the air filter box lid to the base. Tighten each fastener firmly by hand or with a screwdriver, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened to avoid damage. Double-check that all fasteners are tightened properly to prevent air leaks, which could reduce engine performance. Verify that the air intake duct is securely connected to the air filter box without any gaps. After installing the new air filter, start your Palisade's engine and listen carefully for any unusual noises. A properly installed filter should not cause any changes to engine performance or sound. Next, reset any maintenance reminders through your vehicle's infotainment system. Access the settings menu and clear the service indicator to ensure accurate future notifications. Finally, document the date and details of your air filter replacement in your vehicle's maintenance log or a personal record. This helps track when the next replacement is due, typically every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Experts recommend checking and replacing the air filter every 12 to 15 months or 15,000 miles, whichever comes first. In dusty or harsh driving conditions, inspect it more frequently to prevent clogging. A clean air filter improves fuel economy by allowing optimal airflow to the engine, and it helps prolong engine life by reducing wear from contaminants. Consider using eco-friendly, recyclable filter materials for sustainable maintenance.